Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can save an Instagram reel audio into like a QR code and like share it, I guess. So select your video, select a video, select the audio, select these three dots here and select QR code. And basically people can scan this QR code with their smartphone's camera to listen to this audio, and you can pick from these colors. Then you're just going to select save to camera roll, and you can then share it, and that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.